Hello. In this video we're going to be working on squaring binomials. So in number 1 we're looking at the binomial x plus 5 and it's raised to the second power. And so what that means is that we're going to take the expression x plus 5 and we're going to take it times itself. That's what it means to square. You take something times itself. So then it becomes a FOIL process where we take x times x, x times 5, 5 times x, and then 5 times 5. And so we result in x squared, x plus 5x gives us 10x, still plus 25. How about number 2? In number 2 it's x minus 3 quantity squared, and so that's telling us to do x minus 3 times x minus 3. And so when we go through the FOIL, x times x times negative 3, negative 3 times x, negative 3 times negative 3 makes a positive 9. And to combine like terms, it's x squared, negative 3x minus 3x more is a minus 6x, and then a plus 9. Okay, and we also have example number 3. That is 7x plus 1 quantity squared. And so that's telling us to take 7x plus 1 times 7x, that's an x, plus 1. Alright, we'll FOIL again. So we have 7x times 7x. 7 times 7 is 49. X times x is x squared. 7x times 1, anything times 1 is itself. Then 1 times 7x, which again is itself. And then finally 1 times 1, which makes 1. We once again look to combine like terms, so 49 x squareds. 7x plus 7x makes 14x, and then we add in 1. And so that is the result of multiplying those together. So notice that when we take something and raise it to the second power, it requires a FOIL process. We result in 3 terms like we have here. It is all too often that I see when we have x plus 5 quantity squared that it results in x squared plus 25. That is not the case. Please do not do that. It is x plus 5 times x plus 5. You must FOIL. We will work more on that in class. For now, we are done.